Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. I'm really thrilled to have you here today because we're about to unlock something incredibly empowering, the Volusia County Clerk of Court system. Currently led by Clerk Laura E. Roth, this system is essentially the central hub for local justice, property records, and public information. Whether you're a beginner diving into some historical family research or a professional looking up case files, we're going to completely demystify this process and turn you into a public records pro. Okay, let's dive into our roadmap for today. We'll be covering 1. Volusia Court Basics, 2. Understanding Court Records, 3. Online Case Search Guide, 4. Navigating Courthouse Locations, 5. Privacy, Ethics, and Security, and finally, 6. Wrap-up and Legal Disclaimer. So did you know that solving your legal inquiries in Volusia County might literally just be a few clicks away? It's completely true. These records actually belong to the public. Accessing them is super relevant, whether you're conducting a background check, performing due diligence on a property, or just securing your own legal standing. You have a right to this information, and honestly, knowing how to find it is kind of a modern superpower. Section 1, Volusia Court Basics. Let's get a handle on understanding the courts. Now, you've basically got two main courts you'll be dealing with, and it's really helpful to clearly separate them. First up, the Circuit Court. This one handles the heavy hitters, civil claims over $50,000, felony criminal cases, and family law issues like divorces. On the flip side, we have the County Court, which is often called the People's Court. It handles civil claims up to $50,000, misdemeanors, and traffic violations. Knowing this distinction right off the bat tells you exactly where your specific issue falls within the whole system. Section 2, Understanding Court Records. What exactly should you be looking for? Think of the clerk of the Circuit Court as Volusia County's financial watchdog and ultimate record custodian. This means they maintain absolutely everything. We're talking major criminal history and civil judgments, all the way down to simple traffic citations and probate matters. This massive archive is just an invaluable resource for anyone needing to verify past histories, settle an estate, or confirm a legal ruling. And a huge part of this is a very specific subset of documents known as official records. These are your property transactions, like deeds and mortgages, as well as marriages and court-ordered judgments. If you're buying a home or doing deep genealogy research, this is your gold mine. The clerk's office actually offers internet access to the index and images of these recorded documents, dating all the way back to April 4th, 1988. Section 3, Online Case Search Guide. Time for some digital empowerment. You can access a staggering amount of information right from your couch. Step 1, simply visit the clerk's official website at www.clerk.org. Step 2, navigate over to the Case Inquiry Portal, which is specifically designed for public use. And Step 3, just input your search parameters. It really is that straightforward to get your search rolling. But when you're using the portal, accuracy is absolutely everything. To get the best results, use the exact case number if you happen to have it. This completely bypasses the headache of sifting through dozens of identical names. If you don't have the case number, always, and I mean always, use the standardized last name, first name format. That's exactly how the database organizes its millions of files. Once you successfully locate your case, you'll likely encounter the term docket. Think of a docket as a highly transparent timeline of the judicial process. It's a detailed log showing every single motion filed, every physical order made by a judge, and all the hearing dates associated with that specific case. It is literally your roadmap to understanding what has happened and what is scheduled to happen next. While you're looking through these dockets, especially in criminal cases, you might run into some legal jargon. A really critical one to know is capias. This is a bench warrant for an arrest, usually issued when a defendant skips a scheduled court date. Now, it's very important to note that if you see this on a felony record, the clerk's office cannot give you information about it. You've got to contact the Volusia County Sheriff's Office directly for capias details. Section 4, Navigating Courthouse Locations. Let's help you find the right branch. Volusia County is geographically pretty large, so the clerk operates several different branches. The main Volusia County Courthouse is in DeLand, which offers full services and handles the major circuit court hearings. Over in Daytona Beach, you'll find the Justice Center and the Judicial Center, which are perfect for traffic tickets and civil filings. If you live down south, New Smyrna Beach offers limited services like payments and marriage licenses. And finally, Orange City serves as a super handy satellite document intake location. Knowing which branch does what saves you a literal ton of travel time. If you ever hit a wall, say the online portal isn't loading, or you just aren't sure which courthouse to visit, please don't stress. You can easily troubleshoot by calling the General Administration line at 386-736-5915, or just use the online contact form at clerk.org. You can ask simple, clarifying questions like, am I at the right branch to pay this specific traffic citation, or which office actually handles probate filings? They are incredibly helpful and will gladly route you to the right department. Section 5. Privacy, Ethics, and Security. Understanding the ethical boundaries. So, the crucial point here is understanding the balance between public transparency and personal privacy. Under Florida's Chapter 119 Public Records Law, there's a strict divide. On one side, we have released public records. These are recorded, verified, and completely open for you to view. On the other side, we have confidential or redacted records. To protect privacy, records involving minors, certain sensitive family matters, or specific medical information are legally shielded from public view. Section 6, Wrap-Up and Legal Disclaimer. Let's cover some final thoughts. To quickly recap, we learned the big differences between circuit and county courts. We walked through exactly how to use the case inquiry portal on clerk.org efficiently, using exact names or case numbers. We identified the different branch locations spread across Volusia County to save you time, and we established the limits of public privacy under Florida law. Taking these proactive steps through official channels is absolutely the best way to ensure your records are accurate and your legal standing is secure. Before we go, just a quick, very important disclaimer. The information provided in this explainer is strictly for educational purposes and does not constitute legal advice. If you have specific legal concerns or require representation, please make sure to consult a qualified legal professional. The tools are right there waiting for you, completely free and accessible. So I have to ask, what hidden history or crucial insights will you uncover in your local public records today? Go ahead, jump onto clerk.org and start exploring. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy searching.